Good afternoon, second graders. I hope you are off to a great start with your distance learning. I just wanted to send a quick video so you know how to take attendance every day. You need to make sure you log in and take attendance so the district knows that you were online. So when you open up your Chromebook, you'll get to the Chanhassen Elementary landing page, and all you need to do is click on attendance, and then I'm here. And then I'm not sure what will pop up on your end, but it should say like, great job, you're here, and then you can log off. And then you can also click Mr. Lang's principal's messages here, and if you open it up, it will be
Good morning. Good morning, Shannon.
Mr. Lang giving morning announcements. I think he's trying to go into different classrooms each day, so you'll have to keep an eye out for when he goes into our classroom for morning announcements. And then if you need to get into your specialist information, it's here. And anything else you might need could be on this page too. But make sure you log in every day and click on attendance to mark that you were here for today. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope you're having a great afternoon.